Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change your video resolution on 70mai M300 dashcam. So there's two things that you need to need. There's the dashcam, you need to plug it in with the cable, and then there's the phone that you need to have, and install the application called 70mai. Then once you install it, it will guide you to set up your dashcam. Once you connected it, click in the three dots at the top right of your corner. Then go to the video resolution, and then you can change it. And if you want to reverse the changes, all you need to do, just go back and click it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.